This is my smartwatch. It's a modern smartwatch that is powered by Arduino Mini Pro. It has a fully functional UI interface and a platformer game and more interesting features. It has a flashlight that is around 1 watt and another bonus game that is math. So let's get into it. This is Yanamix and welcome to my channel. This idea came to me a couple of months ago and it was like, what should I make as a cool project? Got it, an Arduino smartwatch. So I started. First thing is first, I started designing the wristband and the chassis was already made because this project started like months ago and I made some stuff off camera because I didn't plan to make this video at all, so yeah. So now as you can see I'm rounding up the edges. It took a couple of minutes or maybe around 10 minutes to be more exact. And it was not that easy, but you know, we learned stuff. After preparing my printer, I selected one object that is apart from the wristband. I downloaded the STL and uploaded it to the slicer. After sending it to printer, I forgot the laptop unplugged and the battery was going to die, and it's really gonna die. The problem is the files weren't saved, so all of those hard working days are just gone. After recovering from that incident, I took myself up and took the print. It was really hot, that's why I'm like throwing it around. But anyway, this particular sound when I was breaking it, it's so satisfying I can't describe it, and I wish I could do it a second time, but it's waste of filament and it's waste of time too, so I just avoided that. In the future projects I'll probably do that. It's really nice. The mistake that I did, as you can see here, is making the outer and inner brim. The outer isn't really big issue, but the inner is. So after test fitting all of the parts, I'm gonna use those small screws from an old phone to screw the back plate. But they didn't fit, so I had to drill a bit of that hole and to make it fit. Yeah, it was a tedious job, and if you make a mistake, you're probably gonna reprint this, and I told you that the files are dead somewhere, like, yeah, so it was big problem. But after that, it was like really nice fitting screws. As you can see now, I'm trying to resolder some of the components that got out after I maybe throw it down from the table. Yeah, and this project is like months, so yeah, by time it could desolder some wires. For the coding part, there are a lot of lines and work that went into it. There are 1,379 lines. It's a lot. For a 12-year-old, it's really a lot. Excluding the fact that 500-ish lines is bitmaps, but still. So right now I'm using it for a month or so and it's working flawlessly. No problems except sometimes breaking buttons. It's usual, and it's because I just glued it with super glue and it's not really the right solution. So the battery holds charge about 24 hours. Overall, it's really good daily driver. I got some ideas how to make it better, as rounding up the corners and 3D printing the wristband, because look at this, it's just not a great fit. So when I took it to school, I had overall really good comments about this. They told that it's good, you have games and all that stuff, but some unsupportive pupils would always tell you that no, it's not good, just trash box. Yeah, but that's usual. Another cool feature about this watch is the reverse charging. So for example, I have this cable, charging cable, I plug it in here, take an OTG cable to type C and plug it here at the end, and take a device like this temperature meter and quality air reader. And look the result, it's charging. As you can see, it's charging, no any hacks or something. It's fully charging from the watch. Thanks for coming with me through this journey. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.